All right. So I have 4 minutes, so I'm going to try to be really quick. I'm Charles Fracchia, CEO and co-founder of BioBright. BioBright is a company out of the Media Lab here, so it's great to be back, and Harvard Medical School. What BioBright does is basically collect virtually any data from the biopharmaceutical research workflow, and we make it accessible and machine learnable. What you may not know is that in the US, every year we waste around $28 billion due to irreproducible experiments. That's an experiment where the result can't be reproduced, can't be done again. We can't find the same result over and over again, which is a big problem. If you want a point of comparison, NIH, the National Institutes of Health budget this year is about $32 billion, right? So it's a big number. We think that within 5 years, if not faster, biopharma will be about who can leverage their data the best. It's as simple as that. We've seen it in other fields, but biopharma is lagging behind. What BioBright does is actually handle the data. We collect it, and we make it analyzable and machine learnable. How do we do this? We have two main products. One we call Darwin Sync, which is very similar to Dropbox, but optimized for biopharma research. So we can extract equipment data, we can extract all of the hidden metadata in those files. We can link papers, documents, presentations. We can even link all of that data with your existing proprietary data at a biotech or pharmaceutical company. So we can link all of that together. The second part is Darwin Speech. You may have Siri or Alexa at home, which is designed really to order pizza. We saw it earlier. We design our system to understand all of the drug names and all the complex vocabulary from these industrial workflows. We collect all of this data in one place, and we make the data accessible, actionable, and machine learnable. We've had two major classes of successes with our customers so far. One, we are enabling smart diagnostics and service so that when an instrument breaks down, we can actually predict and we can send and dispatch a field service engineer before the instrument actually breaks down. This is very important because if an instrument breaks down, you may be losing millions of dollars a week. The second part is because we have access to a very large diversity of data and an unprecedented amount of data, we can do machine learning at scale on that information. In fact, within 1 month, we showed that we improved one particular key piece of equipment in the workflow by more than 50%. We've also improved data collection rates and speed up by 85%, which is a huge number for them. We were initially funded by DARPA, the Department of Defense. We are working with key institutes around the world, including the Sanger Institute, a leading genetic research institute. And we are now working with very large equipment vendors that are embedding our software directly in the machines. We look at the world in a very data-centric way. So BioBright was designed to collect all of the data that you see up here seamlessly. So my ask to you is if you or your customers are on this board, I want to talk to you because we think that we can get the same kinds of results with the entire field that you see here. Pharma, contract research organizations, electronic lab notebooks, equipment, regulatory, even reagent vendors. So thank you very much. My name again is Charles Fracchia, and I'll be in the back.